What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I removed the rack and pinion as well as the sway bar. Gonna need that clearance for when I install the 2JZ, and I'm taking measurements as far as where it's gonna sit properly. In the meantime, I've cleaned out or prepped the metal, and I've been going around welding it. As you can see, the welds aren't that great because this is my first time welding, so learning. It's pretty much trial by fire. Some welds are better than others. I'm hoping to progressively get better at this and more comfortable with it, but between 3 toddlers in the day and other obligations as well around the house, it's been a slow go, but progress nonetheless. Anyway, I'll be plugging away at this and slowly plugging all these fastener holes, well, the majority of them anyway, that I'm not going to use. And then I'm keeping those tabs because those actually are for the brake and clutch lines, and I'm just going to use the Z32 lines. Hopefully I won't have to fabricate some of my own. At least the brake line should be fine. The clutch line I may have to fabricate because we're going to a 350Z G35 transmission, so maybe a different slave cylinder. So, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Anyway, just wanted to update you guys on the progress of the Z, and it's slowly come together. I mean, I don't have the motor yet anyway, so I could take my time here and not rush things. It's better to do it once the right way rather than having to take the motor out again and fixing things that should have been taken care of in the first place. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for more progress on the Z32 2JZ swap. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and adding comments as well if you've done the swap, any tips, because I've looked online and haven't had too much luck finding resources. I know there's a YouTube blogger, Calvin Molly, and I've been following his videos, and there's a lot that he didn't cover, but I may end up Instagramming him or messaging him to get his insight and some input to save me some heartache here in the future. But anyway, guys, I rambled on long enough, and I'll include some footage of me doing some welding for your guys' entertainment and for mine as well. It's a learning process, guys, but I try and improve upon my skills one weld at a time. All right, talk to you later.